letting people in.
Next.
Any seconds now?
Oh, finally. Tail, check. Come on in.
Wow, the coolest party underwater. Ooh. Oh, let's go. It's our turn.
I heard Little Mermaid is DJing.
We are here for the party.
Great, but wait a sec. Are those feet?
Feet?
Fit?
It's a mermaid's only party. See?
What?
What? Let's go.
Wait! Pretty please?
I said mermaids only. Now go.
You don't have to tell me twice. Let's go, kitty.
It's not fair.
Oh, poor thing. Fine.
Whoa!
A makeover kit?
Huh? Isn't this our lucky day?
Let's see what we've got. Me first. Seashells, wow! Wow! I'll start with the first one. What's in it?
I must have one too. Whoa! Black seashells. Just the way I like them. Whoa! What's this? What is it for?
They're glitter patches. They make a great tail. What? It gave me a tail. I'm a mermaid. Look!
Wow! I want one too. But my tail is gonna be darker. I want it with a hint of blue, pink, and purple. Check this out. It's like I was born to be a mermaid.
Are you ready to swim? They look lovely.
You said it, girl.
I can't wait to swim in this.
We are gonna make a splash.
Yeah.
Wow! Whoa!
Are you okay? Hey, see that subscribe button?
Why don't you click to see more of our videos? Can I go first this time? I wonder what's in it. Whoa! A washer? For what?
Beats me. Now, what do you have for me? A rack full of small clothes. It's got every style in it. This one's cute, but it's dirty. Ew. I'll go with something else. It's dirty too. Hang on. Hey, Kurumi.
What? Fine, take it.
Yeah, you're the best.
No, thanks.
Whoops. Sorry. This ain't no ordinary laundry. So, I'll wash it with a dash of mermaid dust. Let's take it to a spin. Oh, it's finally done. Nothing like a fresh set of laundry. Fitting time. Wow, it fits like magic.
Hey, I want new clothes too. You better share, kitty.
Oh, I've got something for you. Pick one.
Purple, of course.
Want some of my mermaid dust?
I'll use my own. Thank you very much. My outfit will be dark, just like the ocean. Down the hatch. Now let's turn on this bad boy. Wow, so relaxing. Oh, what's with that washer? Oh, it's done. Look how gorgeous my top is. Wow. Hey, no picking.
Whoops. Wow, you look beautiful. All right, my turn. Shell number 3. What do you have for me? Is this what I think it is? Giddy makeup! It has everything I need to turn into a mermaid. I don't even know where to start.
How come she gets all the good stuff? I better get something good too. You've got to be kidding me. Might as well practice breathing underwater. Oh, great. Now my makeup is gone.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just trying out a new look. I heard sparkle is trending all over TikTok. That's why I'm gonna go all in with diamonds. That deep sea party is gonna be lit. One last touch for the star of the party.
I wish I had makeup too. Hey, there is more over there. Let's go magnet fishing. I'll just hover the line over the makeup. And voila! I've got a full set. All those years fishing for snacks paid off. What a haul! I'll start with purple eyeshadow. I'll put it all over my eyelid and blend it up towards the crease. Now I'll add some blush and some lipstick to complete the look. Just wipe it across for all a light color. And of course, we can't forget some glitter.
Is that glitter? Can I have some?
No.
How about we trade?
For some run-over fishnets? I can make good use of this. I'll wear it all the way up to my elbow. Then put makeup over it.
So, how about a trade? The glitter.
What? Oh, right. Here.
Thanks!
I'll dab makeup on top of the fishnet.
As for me, I'll squeeze some glitter right on my arms. Then I'll use a brush to spread it all over. I want every spot sparkling. Wow, they look just like scales! Can you believe I was a cat 5 minutes ago? Huh? What happened to my ears? They've turned into girls!
Check out my work! Ever since scales this cool, I made them myself.
Your girls are cool too!
Oh, of course! Only the coolest for me! Now let's see what we have here! A boring old key. What am I supposed to do with this?
Alright, my turn! It's just stale water! I can't believe it! Not even a fish in sight! Oh, wait! It's a treasure chest! There's something in it, but it's locked!
What? Hey, give me that!
No, it's mine!
I have a key, hello!
Fine!
Open sesame! Whoa! And it fits me perfectly!
Oh, I wish I had a ring! Oh, look! A message in a bottle! Let's open it! Huh? It looks like some sort of a map!
Give me that!
Hey! Found it!
Ouch!
Oh no! Now I don't know where it leads! I must get it back!
I need that other half.
Oh.
Whatever. I don't need it. I'll just follow this line.
What am I gonna do?
Nothing.
Gotcha! Not.
Is it here?
Oh, here? Nuh-uh.
It's here somewhere.
Ouch!
Watch where you are going.
Hey, wanna combine the maps?
Why not?
Whoa! There it is!
Whoa! Wow! It looks just like the map.
I'll start digging here. I hope I find something good. A starfish ring! Jackpot! It goes so well with my look. But we're not done yet. Let's go big or go home. I bet this map has got something more for me. Maybe under this mountain? I knew it! This pearl necklace really ties the look together. Oh, what's under the volcano? A gorgeous headpiece. Now that's explosive.
She got all that from the map? What does it have for me? A pineapple? Under the sea? This is a joke? And there is a fan in it. I'm surely not fan of this. Whoa! It's like a twister! Oh, it's powerful enough to blow anything away! Treasure! I wonder what it is. It's a headpiece. Now I feel just like a mermaid princess. And no mermaid will be seen without her pearls.
Shall I open the next shell? 1, 2, 3! Huh? It's too dark! I'll shine a light in it! What treasure shall I find down there? Bingo! Pink nail polish! Lucky!
That's exactly what I need.
Let's get down to painting. I'll start with the bottom, then swab it to the top of the nail. Repeat for all 5 fingers. Then add some decorations. Did you think I was gonna forget about the glitter? This little mermaid is sparkling all over. What do you think?
It's too pink for me. I sure hope I find something darker. Seems like a normal drawing. There you are. Just the shade I wanted. I'll dab nail polish on every finger. Then I'll get right into decorating. Everything I need is in this container. I'll sprinkle the stars right on the wet nail polish.
Nice! Let's open the last shell together.
Wow!
I see you are done with the makeover.
It's you!
Let's show all the looks. So, what do you think?
Let's see. You've got the bedazzled look down. Sparkling from the headpiece all the way down to the tail. Good.
What about me?
Oh, shells. Nice touch. And girl, you are sparkling. And great job on that tail. You are going to the party.
Yay! Wow!
We're finally in!
Hey, welcome!
You guys look amazing. Where did you get your hair done? It's about to go down.
I know a great spot over there.
Yeah, we made it!
Yay! It's so fun!
My job here is done.
Whew, it's boiling in here. I need a drink.
Everything about me screams mermaid. Oh, what am I gonna do? I like him so much. What the? Did I sit on something? A vampire makeover checklist? This seems reasonable. I need pale skin. Mine's pretty scaly. Not giving vampire at all. Let's pick the right shade. This one. Gotta do a shade match first. Looks great to me. Now, we get to my favorite part. Smash! Hiya! This is why you never see any stressed mermaids. All our frustrations go here. It's done. Time to put on our foundation. I'll just tilt my head back and let it snow. Then I'll wait for it to do its magic. Pale skin suits me well. Wow. Don't you think? Cheer up, why won't you? Here, I'll give you a kiss. Yay! Next up, fangs! My teeth are pretty dull. They need to be sharp. Speaking of sharp, these shells are perfect. All I gotta do is put them on. How do I look? I feel like it's giving walrus. Whatever. What now? Oh! Oh, all shells too. I can't use this. Under here? Nope. I have no choice. Gotta dig through the trash. A snack! No, focus! Ah! You bit me. Get off! Ah! That hurt! These are pretty sharp teeth for a fish. They're my teeth now. Wow, they fit perfectly. Now we have the same smile. Oh, thank you. Uh-oh. Now I need cool hair. I sure do. And I know. I'll dye my hair. Let's do it. Huh? It's empty! Yummy! I made a mess. I have an idea. I'll squeeze the color out of this tomato, then I'll color my hair with it. That should be enough to color my hair. First, I'll give it a mix. No reason, just vibes. Now let's dye it for real. Let's make this pink more vibrant. Wow, it's looking cool already. All done. I love it. I feel like a vampire already. I'm coming for you soon, my love. Wait a minute. Oh. What a mess. Why didn't put it in the trash? Something's missing. Makeup. Let's go through my makeup box. What is this? It's not makeup. I'm due for a snack anyway. Dark chocolate. My favorite. Huh? It left a stain. What happens if I do this? It's on my skin. If it works on my hand, it will work on my eye. It's so pigmented. Wow, eyeshadow done. My lips are looking kind of pale. I know what to do. But this time, we're doing it with flowers. I'll crush the color out of it. This is way easier than the hair dye. Wow, it's so red. Let's try it on. I'll just use my fingers. It's so pretty. Oh dear. It's giving Countess Dracula vibes. But first, let's finish this list. No tail. Did I read this right? That's impossible. I know. I've got a manual for it somewhere. Got it. Ew. I'll make a potion for legs. It's a long list, but I can do it. Yay! All right, let's start. First, I'll gather all the spooky ingredients. Then I'll put them all in a pot. What's the ingredients list, you say? All sorts of creepy crawlers, of course. Including the creepiest of them all. Then I'm gonna add magic crystals. That will give us the feet. Add in some monster goo to combine it all together. And now we mix. It's all coming together. It's done. Goodbye, mermaid tail. You served me well. Now, where's my feet? Any second now. I can feel it. Give me my feet. Come on. I can feel it coming. Wow. I finally have feet. They're pretty hairy, though. And it's itchy. Ew. Yay! I can walk. Ouch! That will take some getting used to. My legs are finally silky smooth. I'm ready. No, wait. My outfit is totally off topic. And the blue doesn't help. I need to change. Makeup? I need outfits. Woo! But I can't wear these. It's not vampire core. Ugh! Why are there so many obstacles? This blanket looks like a cape. It works. Yes! I just have to style it. The cape was good, but it was too medieval. I'll give it a modern twist. All done. Let's clean it up a bit. I feel like Morticia Adams. Roar! I'm okay. For the last step, I'm gonna accessorize. Spooky! I'm ready. Wait! Now that I'm a vampire, I can turn into a bat. Whoa! Wrong animal. I said bat, not fish. Whew. Okay, I made it. Hey, hello.
Whoa! Nice.
You think so? Wanna go on a date?
Sure. Wow!
Huh? What?
Wow! It's the new Vampire Cape 3000, but it's very expensive. I need to buy it. But I only have this. No way.
I want to buy it for him. I've got the answer. They're hiring vampire doctors. I'm the girl for the job. Yay! The doctor is in. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Excuse me. Huh?